Kardom piniada berta long penili thari sarnong klarangse non berta ang tonpen arjikha. Hamrena hawar kejoy van ke dujia phan pumathasi inut bahini obi kimiatum pinipen hamren hithi kimialong lifeline tracker lab kimi ingpu pontanglo. Ada porphai sirke ba por malom langpi velia ronga mekar arlengkesar searching terang penajong ribbon ing tiponsi kangpua jai mek pangchengpon. Kangpua jai mekalong Socheng Youth Forum amaipu longkiri tiso KSU West Karbenglong achunbang sarim teron lapen penang an ke thekere arisotum chitong dunsi RDP dun. Bangso lepalong kupi piawar sai dojima puthak lab technician lening terang penajok lapusonsi ferangkia tumangno nang thandun.
Oh nili ke KSU West Karbenglong District General Secretary lo lapen non pini inauguration ni helpline tracker dak hamdan along la ke claim bank phu tumhan anta hirme pidun lo itum youth atum unemployed youths atum thadupik bonds tame sakuridat kali lapen la ke claim ta claim nengi dan chalo
tungke lalo ilitum karbi yang long ayu tatum puke pubo mate social media long non unemployed pa problem ke pubo seta alambang puning jechot sige akam ben kapak lang flut abang ke ada lifeline tracker blood collection center stool collection pen cenglok urine collection pen dak long konji lake tum dak hamren mate Socheng ari soi jang tum amina kosonsi amithang kengkam mate amithang ang bong kosonsi kache establish jima laso kengkam anutin isi karbiang long arada phan message kipi mate by example pensi non bangke radang nu paklang tanglo lapen Socheng mate hamren arada tum idu kelak pencenglok rong atok medical sub center ka vi pencenglok ilitum dupik angse no hokta medical sub center ka function po bangke eklong le po visitame labangsu a lifeline a tracker ka establish pen bangke youth atum mate dak hamren mate Socheng arat cirok tok atum bangta laso aking kam abang bisiko itum la si kacelang adi mabang arsik jit pen itum kiba kacelang dunang jibang akenang sodu
Kacetong dunarat mate Socheng Youth Forum amaipu longkiri tiso lapen KSU West Karbenglong achunbang sarim teron atumta aning aklong alam the ferangkia tumangno jaipon. National People's Party atumpen Phaikuni Narkep Arni District Press Club of Karbi Anglong sa hemalong MOS Surini Rainkorai si along Class 2.3 along ketok seat cap open for all polam the NPP pen ke chikroi dun thekte polam the puthak ferangkia mai parupon.
Is exposed as it put the resolution for creation of 848 KLP posts in a meeting between Assam Gov headed by not other than the Honorable Chief Minister himself, the Deputy Education Minister and AASC held on 13 April 2012 is put in a cold storage. The NPP will place a demand before the Government and AASC for immediate creation of 1,600 language teacher posts. Fourthly, more than 60% of the indigenous people who are the inherent owner of the land are still without permanent land coverage, that is Pata. The NPP will strive to ensure that a good spirit and unit. Although belatedly, the National People's Party Hills Autonomous Unit want to clarify its stand on several burning issues confronting the region. Firstly, while the effort of the union government and Assam government to establish permanent peace in Karbi Anglong is welcome, and so also the six-armed extremist group, which TNLF, KPLP, DPLA and PDCK, for having shunned violence and returned to the mainstream. But in fusion of Clause 2-3 in the memorandum of settlement signed between Gulf of India, Gulf of Assam and the sixth extremist group, which stipulated 10 MSC seats as open category seats, stands opposed, as it seriously undermined the spirit of the 6th Schedule to the Constitution of India that guarantees certain basic rights such as right to ownership of land, right to preserve own custom, tradition, etc. to the tribals, to the Indian peoples of the hills. The NNP will demand for its immediate removal of these controversial clubs. Secondly, the NPP also takes serious note of unemployment among the tribal educated youth. Local educated youths are elbowed out in the job market by the economically advanced communities from the plain of Assam, as jobs are always auctioned off to the highest bidder, thus giving no chance for the local educated youths to get it. Favoritism, nepotism left some percentage of jobs for the family members and relatives of the student and the middle class, leaving the local educated youth belonging to the poor and marginalized high and dry. The NPP will demand 100% job reservation for the local under the administrative control of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, and the jobs under central and state government that may occur in Karbi Anglong. We reiterated that the state government that may reiterated that the existing job reservation rules 1978 are some job reservation rules bracket reservation of posts in SC in service in 1978 should not apply in the hills area or under the provisions of the 6th Schedule of the Constitution, as the said rule is meant for the whole of the state of Assam. Thirdly, the apathy of the successive Assam
low budget club atum pen chipatir piponsi hini angdeng Difu Winter Cricket Tournament surini ra inquire farman miles pho Difu complex pathua klamalong phaikuni narkep arni kapathu ke chenga berta katni sasayam long berta napali kedam tanganing kanason thak thak pining le thota bangso tournament biponthulo low budget club me phubidi terang lapen konchung bang atur temung atum pen aluhi kapachinia por enlo bangso kapathu ke chengarni aluhi aman pen kachetong dun atum lake phenpinga its rengma Chairman Sport and Youth Welfare Dr. Pankaj Teron Secretary Kasa Yuri Ronghang Deputy Secretary Sanjoy Temung Secretary Cricket Kasa James Hangcho Social Activist Rajendra Kaur Cricket Umpire Kasa Nani Gopal De Cricket Umpire Kasa Lapen Nong A England Hunter Club General Secretary Atum Chetong Dun Mo final ahut winner anong A lake Suri Trokep Pen Trophy Lapen runners up anong A lake Suri Thongkep Rap Pen Trophy Pipa Chirponpo
coaching as well as players, as well as we have our brothers from Hunters Football Club, and my esteemed respect goes to the president and his colleagues of the Low Budget Cricket Club here on the second winter cricket tournament, the second winter cricket tournament 2021 open. Thank you.
Kechengsi kapathu arni Indian Cement Golakhat CC lapen Nagaon CCC atum angbongsi chipopon Nagaon CCC atum kapathu mesenajok wicket roxy pen chipai ponlo non malam so por phan beta mongton phasina
It's midnight and you're struggling to find a medical store to get a medicine? Now, it's not a thing to be worried about. Alon Medical Store, the first ever medical store opened by Amount Karbi. It's open 24/7 and you would find all kind of medicine over here. And you can also order medicine that are unavailable at the moment. So visit Alon Medical Store opposite Difu Medical College. To know more, contact 936503768.
আজিকালি যিকোনো পাৰ্টি মানে কাঞ্চ জুচ বাইদি বেটো কমলাটো খাইছিলি না আনাৰসটো পাহাৰীয়া কমলা আৰু আনাৰসৰ পৰা তৈয়াৰ কৰা কাঞ্চ জুচ সম্পূৰ্ণ বিশুদ্ধ কাঞ্চ জুচ খাওক জীৱনৰ মজা লওক
কাঞ্চ জুচ
dihinamu phit puthot pirta longwang thulo lakhain kora phone nilip MSC constituency ki parlo Chukiola indoor stadium along Phaikuni truck pen proxy an nini aparman nilip badminton club atum lapen nilip sport association atum pen chelang se ingdeng hini winter badminton championship surini rank korasi angdun kiti ahut ke haidun bangphu bangphia tomphan nong epi bajirpot Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Long Hang Kaping Khat Ponateng Lapen Kerap Ponpen Karbi Anglong Lapen West Karbi Anglong Atokanu ke Duara Ratumaphan Lan Susik Kapathu Anat Ratumaphan Lapen Non Owikimia Tumphan Kapachihung Ponjia Phan Kemang Kabor I Ponateng Jame Kalong Pachun Pon Nili Balong Arusumara Tumta Kapathu Atum Aphainang Barbom Kuta NSA Maipu Winson Rong Hang Pen Perang Kya Thengnu Thanpon Nong E Kapajir Ponalong KSA Maipu Barim Bijoy Be KSA, CEC, Barnabas Killing, Barim, Nilip, MSC, Samson Tiso, Atum, Chetong Dunsi, Nong Epachirpon. NBC Mepu, Tendon Rong Park, Konchung Bang Justin Rongpi, Financial Kojenterang, Lapen, NSA Mepu, Winson Ronghang, Konchung Bang, Nua Pangcho, NSA, Subcommittee Mepu, Samuel Tiso, Lapen Arisang Hoa Tumahin Pen, Mesen Pen, Pachun Ponu. Nong E, Chipalong Dunabang Pubang Piatum Lake, Men's Double U17 winner Atiri Be, Lapen Sampri Be, Men's Double Veteran winner Thongteron Lapen, Stefan Tiso, Men's Double Local Nilip Lapen, Warbogori winner Philemon Milik Lapen, Justin Rongpi, Mixed Double Open winner Harbomon Pangcho Lapen, Dengjalin Teron P, Mixed Double Veteran winner Stefan Tiso Lapen, Jaculin Teron P, Women's Double Open winner Sampriterang P Lapen, Jaculin Teron P, Men's Double Open winner Harbomon Pangcho Lapen, Amrit Rongpi Atum Heno. Kelangmi Lapen, Athik Dut Pen, Dongka Sport Association, Chipalong Pon. Pinia Berta ke Lapansi Kang Tong Inglong, Dome Thakme Kurbang Thu.